Hi, Dave Ashley here. Today we're going to work with merging emails and sending out multiple emails to a list of prospects or email clients. And we're going to use a program called MailKing by CloudHQ. So now to get this, you want to go to your favorite Google search and just type in MailKing. And you should come up with a list. And you may have to scroll down a little bit until you find MailKing, but here it is here with the CloudHQ. Click on that, and it will take you to our page that we're on here. Scroll down, and it'll tell you about the different ways that you can install this. You can install it as a Google Sheets add-on. It installs a MailKing Chrome extension, or you can start the wizard. I suggest putting it as a MailKing Chrome extension. Just click on that, and it'll show you how to install it. I already have it, so it shows it on there, but it would say add the Chrome extension, and then you would find it up at the top above your URL to be able to click that. Okay. So I already have it installed. It goes along with Gmail. Go back here and show you some other features of it. It integrates with Gmail, so you must have a Gmail account in order for this to work. The messages actually come from your Gmail account. You got the free templates. I'll show you that. You can import templates from MailChimp. I'll let you read all this mail merge from CVS or Excel files. I'll let you read all this at your leisure, but it tells you all about it. It's a pretty involved program and does a lot of different things. But we'll be just going through today the basics of putting this all together and sending out a batch of emails. So when you go to your Gmail and you click on here, see CloudHQ, which should appear here. Simply click on that. These are all the different CloudHQs that I have installed. We'll go to MailKing, and then we'll go to Create. Now we'll go to, let's go to the dashboard. Now we get dashboard. This shows you some stats on emails. I've had these for quite some time, sent them out for several years now using this. So that's the total emails that I've sent. That's my open rate, click-through rate, unsubscribe rate. But anyway, we create a new campaign. Okay, and we can change this to say anything that we want. We'll just call this test of MailKing. Okay, now to get emails in, there's several ways we can do it. We can import them from a Google spreadsheet. We can upload from a CVS or Excel file, import from our Google contacts if that's what we want, or we can add them each individually. Now I normally send out maybe 10 or 20 at a time, so I pick and choose which ones I want. So I'm going to go over here to my notepad and pick an email. Go over here and you say click add and Control V, and add. If you put the first name here, let's say it was Don. Okay, we'll get them over here. We'll just add a couple here to give you an example. Again, you can add as many as you want and add them any way that you want. And we'll add just one more here. Okay, so we've got our 3 emails. Next we're going to do is we're going to create an email template. Now they give you this one here when you first open it up. What you can do is just go here to blank template, and you can create a text-only template or one with HTML. That means it has pictures and whatnot in it, which will do that one. I like the way that it sets it up in the tools that it gives you. Okay, so what you do is these items over here on the right, you drag them into your field, and that's how you start. So let's start with an image here. Let's just put an image up here. Okay, and we can click here, see we can upload an image, or you can do a magic image. You can create an image with AI, and you just click on here. It takes you to the place where you just describe what you want, and it'll create it. That's something that you can play around with if you want. We're just going to upload an image here, and let's take let's just put this one right here. Take just a second here for that to load the image. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we X out of this. We should back to our main things that we have. We can put a button below this, so we can put a button down here. And then we could also put some headline, say right above the button. Okay. Just as an example, you can also go back up to the top here, and let's put some text up here. Let's see if that went in there. No, it didn't. Yeah, we could do an introduction here. It says, okay, this is the format that you need anytime you want to import the person's name that you have up here. In other words, up here we have the mailing list, John, Mary, and Don. When the email goes out to Don, you'll insert in that point right here in our email, hi Don, here's the info you requested. Okay, and that could be the same thing that you could put up here in your welcome or in your subject line. We could just put in the same thing here, the introduction. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we've got part of our email. Of course, you can put some more information down here. We could have this button go to a specific location. Okay, and we go to a new tab. You can, again, change the color, the background of the button, the text color, the width, all sorts of things that you can do with that. Okay, so we got that, and then let's just add one more thing. And you get all these other things. You can have video on there. You can have your social, Facebook, all these different things, a menu, put a timer, you can have a poll, and all your emails you want to have unsubscribe. So we want to put that down there. That to make it go to the bottom of the page. Don't want it right below everything. here, and we can put in some text like that. And we just put some carriage returns, and then I'll push the subscribe button down to the bottom of the page. Well, we actually put the button. There we go. Move the button back up here. Okay, so then we pretty much have got our email all together. So we scroll down. Now, link tracking, you can do that, but you do have to be a pro member. I'm a free member, and you can do all these things as a free member. Main thing you want to know is if somebody opened the email or not. It'd be nice if you knew if they clicked on the link, but again, it's not necessary. You can schedule the campaign to start at a specific date and time. You need to click all of these things here so that you understand you're not spamming anybody. But these are emails that you have. Okay, and then you can also scroll up a little bit here, and we can preview what it's going to look like. Okay, and there it is. You notice both cases, it put the person's name in, going to John. See the email, you see the button. Scroll all the way down, it has the unsubscribe as well. And on the right, these are the people that are going to be getting the email. You can send a preview email to yourself. When you click this, then go back and look in your email. We'll do that. That's where it's going to send it to the way you have it set up to your original email. And you'll be able to see it before you send it out. You can see what it looks like on mobile. See, go back to desktop. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do is either schedule it to go at a particular time. Let's look at that, schedule it. You can set the date and time at which you want these to go out. Or you can save this as a draft. And then maybe later on you want to modify it. I'll also give you another little trick here. Go back to, let's look at our, I'm going to show you too some templates. You can, these are my templates that I've created, but you can get them from MailChimp, HubSpot, Gmail Drafts. If you have any of those like MailChimp or HubSpot, there's your free templates. Take a few minutes for it to load, and I've got templates for just about any kind of situation. Back to school. I mean, there's just gobs of them here. Go all the way to the end. Look to these. You might find one that you want to use as a template as a start from. There are some that are just text like a, there's one you can do, welcome to email subscription. Click on the edit. Okay, it'll appear in your templates. And here it is right here, welcome to email subscription. Okay, here we are with the email or the template. And again, you can change any of this just by clicking on it. And changing the content, wherever you want to change things. Alright, so we'll close this out. Okay, now a couple of things that other things I wanted to show you here. Okay, here we are back at the email that we composed. And we can go down here and we can save it as a draft. Now, here's a little trick. If you want to use this email again later on, here's the email right here. We can do this. We can do a clone. Create an email campaign with all recipients. Create with recipients who did not open. Create an email campaign with recipients who opened an email but didn't click. Create an email campaign with recipients who clicked. Create an email campaign. Or you can create an email campaign with recipients who did not reply. So we can click there. And then you're pretty much starting again with the same email, but in this case doesn't have any addressees up here, so that you can send this out again to another group of people. So again, very powerful program. I know you'll enjoy it. Hey, I hope the information helped you out, and if you would, please subscribe and ring the bell for me. I will appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.